The Maruti Suzuki Alto 800 has been a household name in India's automobile industry for decades. Since its launch, it has been a go-to choice for millions of families and first-time car buyers, offering reliability, affordability, and fuel efficiency in a compact package. The Alto 800 has evolved over the years, maintaining its status as one of the most popular hatchbacks in the Indian market. With its sleek design, practical features, and budget-friendly price tag, this small car has played a crucial role in shaping India's automotive landscape. One of the most striking aspects of the Alto 800 is its design. Despite being a budget car, Maruti Suzuki has ensured that it carries a modern and appealing look. The compact dimensions make it an ideal city car, allowing easy maneuverability through narrow lanes and heavy traffic. The car's aerodynamic shape and smooth curves enhance its visual appeal while also contributing to its fuel efficiency. The front fascia, with its sleek grille and stylish headlamps, adds a touch of sophistication, making it stand out in its segment. The Alto 800 is available in a range of vibrant colors, giving buyers plenty of choices to suit their personality. Under the hood, the Alto 800 is powered by a reliable and fuel-efficient 796cc, 3-cylinder petrol engine. This engine delivers a power output of around 47.3 bhp and 69 Nm of torque, making it ideal for city commutes and occasional highway drives. The lightweight build of the car ensures that the engine performs optimally, offering a smooth and hassle-free driving experience. The 5-speed manual transmission is responsive and easy to operate, making it a great option for first-time car owners. Additionally, Maruti Suzuki offers a factory-fitted CNG variant, catering to customers who prioritize fuel economy and lower running costs. One of the biggest selling points of the Alto 800 is its impressive fuel efficiency. Maruti Suzuki has a reputation for producing fuel-efficient cars, and the Alto 800 is no exception. The petrol variant delivers a mileage of approximately 22 to 24 km/h under normal driving conditions, while the CNG variant offers an even more economical 31 to 33 km/kg. These figures make the Alto 800 one of the most economical cars in its segment, helping buyers save significantly on fuel costs. With rising fuel prices, this is an essential factor that attracts budget-conscious customers. The interior of the Alto 800 is designed to maximize space and comfort within its compact dimensions. The cabin is simple yet functional, with a well-laid-out dashboard and user-friendly controls. The dual-tone interior gives it a fresh and modern look, while the comfortable seats provide adequate support for short and medium-distance journeys. The car can comfortably accommodate 4 to 5 passengers, making it suitable for small families. Although it may not offer the premium features of high-end cars, it provides all the essential amenities, including an infotainment system, power windows, and a basic air conditioning unit, ensuring a pleasant driving experience. Safety has always been a crucial factor for car buyers, and Maruti Suzuki has made significant improvements in this area over the years. The Alto 800 comes with safety features such as driver's side airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and seatbelt reminders. While it may not have the advanced safety technologies found in more expensive cars, it offers a decent level of protection for a vehicle in its price range. Maruti Suzuki has also worked on improving the car's structural integrity, making it more resistant to impacts. Another major advantage of the Alto 800 is its low maintenance cost. Maruti Suzuki has one of the most extensive service networks in India, ensuring that customers have easy access to service centers and spare parts. The affordability of maintenance and repair services makes the Alto 800 an excellent long-term investment. Additionally, the resale value of Maruti Suzuki cars remains high, and the Alto 800 is no exception. Owners can expect a good resale price even after several years of use, adding to its overall value proposition. For those looking for a car with excellent city drivability, the Alto 800 is a perfect choice. Its small size makes parking effortless, even in crowded urban areas. The light steering and tight turning radius further enhance maneuverability, making it an easy car to handle, especially for new drivers. The suspension system is well tuned to absorb minor road undulations, providing a relatively smooth ride for its class. While it may not be the most powerful car on highways, it performs admirably in city conditions, where speed and agility matter more than outright performance. Over the years, the Alto 800 has undergone various upgrades to keep up with changing customer preferences and regulatory requirements. Maruti Suzuki has consistently introduced new features and updates to enhance the car's appeal. From minor cosmetic changes to improved safety features, these updates have helped the Alto 800 maintain its strong presence in the market. The introduction of BS6 compliant engines was a significant milestone, ensuring that the car meets modern emission norms while maintaining its efficiency and reliability. The Alto 800 has played a significant role in making car ownership accessible to a large section of the Indian population. Its affordability, coupled with Maruti Suzuki's brand trust, has made it an ideal entry-level car for millions of buyers. The car's legacy extends beyond just being a budget-friendly option. It has been a part of countless family memories, long drives, and everyday commutes. Even as newer models enter the market, the Alto 800 continues to hold a special place in the hearts of Indian consumers. Competition in the entry-level hatchback segment has grown over the years, with brands like Renault, Hyundai, and Tata introducing alternatives. However, the Alto 800 continues to maintain its dominance due to its strong brand reputation, widespread service network, and unbeatable value for money. Many first-time buyers still prefer the Alto 800 over its rivals because of its proven reliability and lower cost of ownership. The transition towards electric and more advanced vehicles has raised questions about the future of small petrol cars like the Alto 800. However, given India's diverse automotive market, there will always be demand for budget-friendly, fuel-efficient cars. Maruti Suzuki is expected to adapt to changing trends, possibly by introducing an electric or hybrid version of the Alto in the future. Until then, the Alto 800 remains a practical and economical choice for those looking for a simple yet effective means of transportation. Overall, the Maruti Suzuki Alto 800 is a car that has stood the test of time. Its affordability, efficiency, and ease of maintenance make it one of the best options for budget-conscious buyers. Whether it's a college student looking for their first car, a small family in need of an economical vehicle, or someone seeking a reliable second car,